Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. Today we are going to learn about a new topic, that is auto scaling, and this happens into the we are using service as AWS cloud, and we'll see how auto scaling happens in the real industries, like how they are using auto scalings, and we have learned about the load balancing part like that. So we are going to explore more similar into this part and have logged into the AWS console, and this is the service provided by the AWS Auto Scaling part, like where you can scale and helps in maintain the availability of your function application. Okay, so let me quickly show you with the diagram and what's generally happening in this. So it will give you a quick go through. Okay, so let me quickly paste. Okay, so we are going to learn about what is auto scaling and how the auto scaling is getting works and what all those things. So we have this scaling groups. Okay, this is one of the scaling groups we have. Okay, so what is happening, we have a scale, this is the auto scaling. So we have multiple instances are running, like we have this one instance running, two instances are already running. But what happens suddenly, this is our client. Okay, this is our client where our applications are running on this multiple instances. Okay, so what generally happens, basically traffic, a lot of traffic comes up. Okay, so what we want, we don't want our website to be go down. Okay, so here behind the scene we uses the load balancer part, like we have a load balancer, like we are using suppose application load balancer. Okay, we are using application load balancer, and in that we create multiple target groups, as you all know. Like, okay, so in that target group, what we generally assign, we generally assign with the multiples, like we have slash search, we have slash mail, we have slash suppose photos. So these all are the our pathways where on each particular instances these things are been running. But now what happened, if the suddenly traffic increases, like now day by day sudden traffic increases, we can't monitor continuously like this. We can't keep eye on this particular our instances, like what is the running, what is the desired state. So suddenly traffic increases, like suppose not the traffic increase, suppose our capacity of CPU get above 100% or above 60%. So we want such type of things, it should automatically scale. We don't want we are going to launch it manually, it takes a certain amount of time. So what these things provide is like we have auto scaling group. We have already one instances is running, like minimum size of instances running one, and desired capacity is 2. So our two instances are been running right now. But what's happened, if suddenly traffic increases, it will automatically scale out as much needed. Suppose there is a traffic comes up and there is a alarm built up, and we need to scale up to 2 instances, 1 more instance or 5 more instances. So it will automatically scales up and as per the requirement part. Okay, we just provided this maximum number. We want 4 goes to 4, we want goes to 5, we want goes to 6. But what happen, as the work gets complete, we can automatically scale down to our minimum size or desired capacity. Like desired capacity, it generally we can say like we want 2 should be there. 2, like we suddenly if the load also increases down, so minimum 1 will be there, but our desired capacity of working is 2. Okay, this is the one of the things which is the provided by the auto scaling group. So auto scaling have a multiple benefits and the features, like it's help in the availability parts. If certainly one port goes down, it will automatically scale into a new availability zone. So that ensures that the applications always have the right amount of capacity to handle the current traffic demands, as I discussed. If the suddenly traffic comes up into that particular availability zones, so it will automatically scales up and your website will not go down. Okay, then it has a fault tolerance also and cost management also. Like it's helping to the save money by dynamically launching instances when they are needed and terminating when they are. So what does it mean? Basically it will launch instance at that particular time only when we are requiring it, when we need it, and dynamically it will launch, and if there is a no work we don't require, it will automatically get terminated. Okay, then related services, like EC2 is launch service on the EC2, it's create a virtual machines onto the particular parts of the EC2. Then if you want to particular monitor, so we uses CloudWatch. Now the thing is like how CloudWatch are been getting uses over here. So let me quickly. Okay, so our main concern is like, okay, we have started using the auto scaling groups. Okay, auto scaling groups. Okay, we have started, but how we are using, how we want to this to be alert, how like behind the scene, what things gonna work. So what's happened? Suppose we have this instances running. Okay, and we have set certain amount of, and we have this CPU utilization is working over behind the scene. If what we are applying into the CloudWatch, how CloudWatch is integrating with it. Okay, CloudWatch, how this CloudWatch is integrating into it. So what we do, certainly if our CPU's utilization goes above 60%, okay, we have set certain rules. Okay, we have set certain rules, like if our CPU utilization goes above 60%, it will automatically alarm us through CloudWatch, and then CloudWatch it will automatically scale up. It will automatically auto scale up. Okay, this is one of the use case of the CloudWatch. Let me understand you and one more time. What's happened? Suppose our instances are running. Okay, this is our instances, two instances are running. Suppose both the utilization of CPU, we have set a limit, like if something goes above 50%, 60%, 70%, so automatically it should launch our one more CPU for us, so that our CPU doesn't go down, doesn't go slow. So for a better improve performance and all those better parts, we are integrating it with CloudWatch. Okay, CloudWatch. How CloudWatch? Automatically, as we are setting some rules. What are the rules? If the things get above 60 or 70% CPU usage, it will automatically trigger CloudWatch alarm, and it will say to the auto scaling groups. It will say to the auto scaling group to automatically launch the system. So this is the one of the scenario where this auto scaling groups helps them. So we have already provided multiple configurations and multiple desired state. So let's quickly go to the demo practical parts and see how the things get works into this auto scaling and CloudWatch part. Okay, so this is the one of the like service provided by the AWS, and you can just search for the quickly. You can search. Let me quickly show you from where is zero. You just need to go to the EC2, and in the EC2 there will be auto scaling. These auto scaling groups are provided over here, and this is the look and feel how the services are like. Okay, so we are one more thing to discuss over here. It also helps in let me quickly show you one more thing. Like it's the theory says, let's say when launching feeds of the instance, you can specify what percentage of your capacity should be fulfilled by on-demand instance, what percentage with support instance to save up to 90% of the EC2 instances. Then Amazon or EC2 scales lets you provide balanced capacity. Same as it, I explained you like if the capacity goes above 90%, it will automatically scales for you and check with the health checks and scheduling all those parts. So guys, in upcoming videos, we'll see how to create an auto scaling groups. Before creating auto scaling groups, how to launch a configurations template. We have such configurations template we are going to see into the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any quick query, you can ask me in the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Alright guys, thank you so much.